Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to recover deleted articles from trash in Joomla 3.X. First, let us check the front end of the website. As you can see, no articles are published under the category Short Stories. Now let's recover few deleted articles. To do that, go to your Joomla dashboard. Hover your mouse on the Content tab. Select Articles from the drop-down menu to open Article Manager. There isn't any published articles. Click on the search tools. Now click on the drop-down menu that says Select Status. Select Trash from the drop-down menu. All the articles which are trashed are shown here. Select the articles which you want to recover and click Publish. Now click on the drop-down menu again and select Published. As you can see, both the articles are published. Now go to the front end of the website and hit refresh. You could be able to see the articles which are published. This is how you can recover deleted articles from trash in Joomla 3.x. Thank you for watching.